Okay, so for this video, I'm only going to be doing the first like 2 or 3 elements and graphing them. So I know that this graph has to have a title, which it already does. It has to have axes labels, and that means I have to label my y and my x. So on my x, I'm going to write the atomic number because it is the one that's like the atomic radius versus atomic number. Out of these 3, this is the only one that I need to represent in the graph, and it's to the left, usually suggesting that it is my x-axis. So I'm going to write atomic number, and then on my y, I will write the atomic radius, and I have to include the unit. And this one is PM, parts per million, I'm assuming. Okay, so now I can start graphing because I have my axes labels, my units, an even scale, and a legend. Ooh, so I need a scale. So a scale. Because the atomic number goes from 1 to 18, I need to divide these lines into 18. So I'm going to say that every 2 lines I'm going to have 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They don't have to be perfect. 7, and so on and so forth. And this one goes from, let's see, which was the smallest number. 31 is the smallest number to 190. Yeah. So 190 minus 31. 190 minus, I'm using my calculator right now. So that's about 160 in difference. So I have to fit 160 whole units into these lines. So let's say that my base right here is going to be 30. And let's say that I have, 20 slots. So I'll divide 160 by 20, 8. So every line I'm going up by 8. Let's say that I'm going up by 10. Every line I'm going up by 10. So this is 40. Wow. Okay, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 right here. 100. Okay, so now to the graphing. My first element is hydrogen, atomic number 1. So I'm going to start right here, atomic number 1, atomic radius of 53. So I'm going to say that that is about right here somewhere. And I can even say that this is hydrogen. Atomic number or element, helium, second element. Helium, atomic number 2, and that has a radius of 31. So 1, 2, I'm going to be right here. Radius of 31 is about right here. And that is He. Let's go to my third one, lithium, atomic number 3. So my third one right here. And this is atomic radius 167. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, right here. This is like 160. So my third atomic number is 167. So I'm going to go third, go all the way up to about right here is where 167 is, and that is lithium. So this is what you guys are going to do for the whole graph. And then you're going to see if there's any trends, and then you're going to answer these analysis questions.